Hi, I'm Scott.
I'm John.
And I'm Mike. Together we built DejaVue. There's a variety of popular front-end frameworks that tackle the challenge of web development in different ways. Last year, Vue.js outpaced both React and Angular in terms of developer pickup, thanks in part to its speed and ease of use. Furthermore, companies ranging from early-stage startups to billion-dollar businesses like Alibaba have begun to use Vue for their applications.
As modern applications grow in complexity, it becomes increasingly difficult for individuals and teams to hold a mental model of their application structure, component hierarchy, state flow, and data containers. This leads to longer onboarding processes and more time spent debugging, which in turn causes developer fatigue and increased company costs.
And that's why we built DejaVue, a visualization tool that helps developers understand and optimize their Vue applications. Here's how it works. DejaVue parses your application's DOM for Vue expandable properties. It uses factories and decorators to transform the DOM node objects into a compatible format. It then renders a tree based on that information and saves a copy of stateflow to local storage.
Now, since we're saving each state change to our own custom storage, we're able to enable a feature like time travel, whether the developer has implemented a state library management system or not. So when the developer selects the point and application state that he'd like to travel to, we send that information over to storage, where the correct record is selected and then sent to two places. The first being the tree for a re-rendering of the visualization, and the second to the application itself to update the state.
Now, we believe that UI is very important in any application, but especially so in a developer tool that helps them better understand the app that they're building. So let's now take a look at some of the key features of the DejaVue app.
So here we can see that DejaVue has rendered a tree that reflects the component hierarchy of our application. As we make changes, it re-renders the tree and highlights the specific node objects that have undergone stateflow changes. And as we hover over a node, the section in our application that represents the component is highlighted. When we click on a node, you can see that the path from the root has been emphasized, and on the right, you can see any stateflow changes along with props, variables, and methods.
Now, as mentioned, developers get the full functionality of our tool without any additional buy-in. So when the slider is moved back and forth, you can see that both the visualization and the application itself are instantly updated to reflect the state changes. However, I think I noticed a bug between the last two states. It looks like when the comment that was added to post number 2 is, it looks like there's a comment added to post number 2 filled with smileys. However, when we move on to the next state and a new post is added, that comment has been moved up. This is a great example of how a combination of time travel, visualization, and inspection lets developers more easily identify where bugs in their code lie.
The open source community has been very supportive to us, garnering recommendations from Evan Yu, the creator of Vue.js, Paul Irish, the lead developer on the Chrome dev team, in addition to almost 1,000 developers who have downloaded our application since launching last week. We're very excited to continue contributing to the open source community and hope that you would use DejaVue alongside any Vue applications you may develop in the future. Thank you.